Objective 2 of more on probability and sampling, and we are looking at sample spaces here. What are the total possible outcomes for events that are happening? Okay, so Desmond lives in Melbourne and is taking a trip to Sydney. He can travel to Sydney and back in 3 different ways: by bus, cab, or train. Desmond chooses how to get to Sydney and back at random. Okay, so he's going there, has those 3 options. He's coming back, has the same 3 options. Okay, bus, cab, and train. So we have to figure out which of these diagrams below can be used to find all the different ways Desmond can get to and back from Sydney. So we have these 3 choices: bus, cab, train. That would make 3 choices going there and 3 choices coming back. If we multiply those together, that means there are 9 different combinations, 9 different ways that he could travel to and from Sydney. Okay? So when we look at a tree diagram like this, we count the bottom row, and that tells us how many different choices that diagram gives us. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, and we know we're supposed to have 9, so this one doesn't work. If we look at this one, however, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has the correct number. And then these are the options. We have bus and bus, bus and cab, bus and train. Cab and bus, cab and cab, cab and train. Train and bus, train and cab, train and train. So this is showing us all the different combinations of which he could take those 3 modes of transportation to and from Sydney. Okay, he's choosing when he goes and he's choosing when he comes back. That's why there's 2 rows. This one actually has 3 rows, which doesn't make sense because he's only picking twice. He's not picking 3 times. Okay, so the only one that gives us the right number and the right combinations is diagram B. Okay, now we have 3 different types of tours: walking tour, biking tour, and trolley tour, and 2 different times each tour is offered. So 3 tours, 2 different times. 3 times 2 is 6. That's 6 different combinations. Okay, so let's look at what the charts have. Okay, first of all, this one has 9, and we know that's not going to work. Okay, there's 3 different tours, but there's only 2 different times, and this has 3 different times. That doesn't work. Doesn't make sense. This one, we have 2 different times, morning and evening, and we have 3 different tours. So we could walk, and then we could walk in the morning, or we could walk in the evening. We could bike in the morning or bike in the evening. We could take the trolley tour in the morning or trolley tour in the evening. It has 6 different combinations, which is what we need. It has the tour that we can choose from and the time we can choose from. That gives us all the different combinations that we need. So that would be Sally's display. So that would just be Sally.